Greetings. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to access the hand hygiene audit tool through Verge. Remember, this audit tool can be accessed through any smart device, including phones, tablets, and of course, your general computer or laptop. All you need is the internet. Once you have went through the steps to obtain your Verge login, which includes completing the SABA training and emailing the completed training certificate to CDS in your respective infection prevention department, you will be granted access to this auditing platform. If you have issues with login, please review the QRG provided during your welcome letter, or feel free to reach out to the CDS department or your respective IP department for guidance. So let's begin. First, you will copy and paste the link provided into your internet search bar to navigate to the Verge platform. If you do not have the link, no worries. You can simply type Verge Health Login into the search bar to drive you to the login screen. We recommend bookmarking this website for easier access in the future. This could be done by selecting the bookmark icon from your device. You're simply selecting that this is one of your favorite sites to go to. Next, enter your login information. This is your sign-in and password that you created when you first gained access. You are now in the Verge auditing program. Next, select Content, and from the drop-down menu, select Audit. You will be directed to a new page where you can search for the hand hygiene audit tool using the search by title or code field. Enter hand hygiene and select search. Find the custom tool and bookmark the audit. This will assist you with assessing the tool with less clicks in the future. Once the audit is bookmarked, instead of searching for the audit each time, you will go to Solutions and select My Bookmark. Then find the corresponding tool that you identified as your favorite. Next, select Actions and enter data. You are now ready to enter your observations into the tool. You also have the ability to print the tool. But as a time saver, we do recommend that you use your smart device real time. To obtain a hard copy of the audit tool, select Actions and then select View. Here you can print a blank audit tool. Again, we encourage you to use your smart device to directly enter your data into the electronic platform. Now let's walk through entering an observation first as a secret shopper. In the future, the audit tool will be updated where employee ID and time is no longer required. You will still be required to enter the date. Remember to change the date to the day that you perform the observation. It will automatically default to the current date. Next, select location. First, organization will be your pavilion. For our ambulatory care services colleagues, select Harris Health. Next, select location, which will be your department. Scrolling down, you will then select your role. In this example, we will serve as the secret shopper. Next, select the healthcare professional that you are observing. If the role is not listed, you do have the ability to select Other and free text in the role with the box provided. Then you will enter your audit information for clean in and clean out. In this example, we observe a healthcare worker, RN, cleaning in inappropriately. However, we did not see them clean out appropriately. Once you have completed the audit, you have the ability to submit or submit and add a new, or simply to review your audit selection. When you select Submit and Add New, you are brought back to the beginning of the audit tool. In this next example, we will serve as the just-in-time coach. Again, employee ID and time will not be required for future audits. Select just-in-time coach role. Then select your healthcare professional. In this case, we will select MD attending. Once you select MD attending, you will see an additional question pop out indicating service line. Here, let's select infection disease. Our ID doc did an awesome job with foaming in or cleaning in, so let's select yes. However, our opportunity did exist where they missed a cleaning out opportunity, so we'll select no. As a just-in-time coach, if an opportunity is missed, as you know, you will take this time to do some touch point education and try to understand the barriers or contributing factors with the missed opportunity. You will document here the physician's name along with contributing factors. In this example, we'll say simply forgot and dispenser is broken. If you have a concern of spelling of the name, you can always use Outlook to identify the correct spelling. It is a requirement for you to document name and contributing factor before moving forward. The final question is related to fingernails. In our example, our physician did not have any artificial nails and nails were kept less than 1/4, so we will mark him as compliant or yes. And just like the secret shoppers, you have the ability to submit, add a new, or review your selections. In the future, we will have the ability for you to view how many audits you have completed each month. Until that report is available, you do have the ability to view how many entries by going back to your bookmark section under Solutions, selecting Action, and then View My Data. Here, you're able to see how many audits you have entered for any time frame. This concludes the training on how to access the Verge platform as well as how to complete an audit. Key things to remember: you can complete this audit on any smart device where internet is available. We encourage you to do so as a time saver. If you prefer paper, you can still use that as well, following the steps previously discussed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your respective pavilion infection prevention department. We are here to help you.